Back from the dead.
Hey everybody, welcome to another video with Armstrong Automotive. Today we're working on a BMW X6 that's got suspension sag overnight. This can happen quickly depending on the size of the leakage, or slowly overnight, so when you come out to your vehicle, the vehicle's actually dropped considerably. When you do that, usually when you get in a car and you start the vehicle up, you hear the compressor start to work extremely hard to get the vehicle back up to the right level. In that case, you really need to look at changing your airbag. In this video, we're going to show you how to do it. So the first thing we need to do is take off the battery terminals. In the boot, lift up the panel or the floor and you'll see some screws, usually 3 to 5 screws. In mine, I've got 2 screws missing. So just remove those screws, lift the plastic out of the way, which will give you access to the battery. Next we want to do is undo the positive battery terminal and the negative battery terminal. Anti-clockwise always with these guys. And once that's done, we can start to think about lifting the vehicle up. Now I've got quite a big jack. I suggest you use a big jack for this. Heavy vehicle, must use a heavy load jack. Now look around the vehicle, make sure that there's nothing else around it, nothing else close. When you jack up a vehicle, people forget if you're next to a wall, sometimes with a larger vehicle it lifts right over and you don't want to make contact with any other cars, wall, anything at all. Once you've got the wheel off, you can see the airbag. Look at this, nice and soft, really easy to remove. Just one twist and away you go. And it is that simple, just one twist. All that you've got attaching the airbag now to the vehicle is the actual airline, and you'll see me quite stupidly dragging that across the bottom of the wheel arch. Don't do that. Twist that out of the way so that when you do pull it forward, you're not catching it like I have in this video. Didn't do any damage this time, but quite easily could have. Once you've got it out, all you need to do is just pop that top piece of rubber off the top. There we go, see it there, lipping on the left hand side. Pop that right off. The only thing holding that to the top is a lip of plastic. Undo that brass knuckle at the top there, which just undoes anti-clockwise. Remove it, and then with the new one, quite luckily, we get the new brass fitting. And as you can see there, that's the old bag. New one there, ready to go. What I didn't do is I didn't use the new cover for the top. I used the existing BMW one. I found it to be extremely hard wearing and thick, and definitely surpassed the quality of the replacement. So I kept the old one and just placed that over the top. You don't have to do that. There they are. As you can see, the old one was pulled out quite a bit. I suggest you do that before you attach the airline. There's the new connector. That's the connector going on. So you see I've swapped sides. So instead of with a red wire for the near side, I'm now on the off side with the blue wire. Got the other one. Always change both sides. Crazy, I know, but certainly with aftermarket parts, because there could be some differences in leveling. So always replace both sides at the same time. As you can see here, this is what happens when you don't pull the airbag out. And if you don't pull the airbag out before you attach the airline, you're not going to be in a position like this. You're not going to be able to seat it correctly before the wheel goes back on. If that's the case, it's not the end of the world. Get it in place. Place something underneath the wheel. You'll have to put the wheel back on. Place something underneath. Here I've used a ramp, and then slowly drop it to seat the bottom part of that airbag in. Once you've finished, drop the wheel down. Can you hear that? That is a compressor working extremely hard to fill that airbag up, and you can see the car rising there. At least we've got enough air going through that's going to fill the airbag up. If there's any leaks, we generally know overnight. Once you've done that, jump in the car, you put your key in and away you go, start the vehicle. Next thing you know, you're getting warning lights flashing up, your brakes not working, your ABS isn't working, your 4x4 isn't working, power steering isn't working, DSC and X-Drive's got a failure on it. Do not worry about this, it's not a big deal. All you want to do is turn the wheel, full turn to the right, hold for 1 second, full turn to the left, hold for another second, turn the vehicle off, turn the vehicle on again, and then all of your warning lights go out. Job done. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Goodbye.